Thank you for having me at the event. It's been a wonderful event in terms of the focused talks and the people that I've met so far. It did. In fact, what I really liked is the fact that you have two co-located events, one on the biologics and one on cell and gene therapy. Particularly for a company like Amicus, where we work in both areas, it's been an excellent program to go between the two events. Absolutely will. I think it's one of those focused conferences with a limited number of tracks and also a limited number of people in the conference, fairly senior leaders coming to this event. So it gives us a good opportunity to network, understand the challenges that each of us face in this industry as a whole. So it's been a very useful conference.